Good afternoon to the community of divisions around the world. Welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of the TVC, one of the economic developer within the Kringle society. Guys, we thank God for the great development happening within our community. Thank God for especially the Life Force Assurance program that is on now. If you log into your back office, your clinical's back office, on your dashboard, you will see your assembly code. You will see your assembly code on it. And guys, beside it, you can view the assemblies. It's either you click this beside it and you view. If you click it, it will bring out and pop out the assemblies, the list, the membership list of the assemblies for you to see, and you can equally see it. That's the first fastest way by which you can access it. Now, then, secondly, is that you can also go back, log in into your back office, go to marketing, then on marketing, log in to your back office, click on the menus, click on marketing, then come down, you will see assemblies, then click on assemblies. It will give you the same result. I bring out the list of all members within and in the community that has been assigned a special code for the assemblies. And if you check the table, you will see assembly, that's the assembly code, the city, the country, the state, the province. Also, don't forget that TBC is based on meritocracy. Admin has been saying this over time that TBC, when time comes for dividends and for a lot of benefit within the community, is based on meritocracy. So you will see meetings and you will see bounties. These are the few criteria that the administration will use to what? To assign and to choose to select leaders based on the meritocracy. Now you can view it, and this is applicable to different countries within the Kringle community. So we have, for as many who are yet to pay their program fee, either monthly or yearly program fee, get on board for you to be counted among. These numbers is only for the active members within Nigeria alone, and the same thing is applicable to other countries. So guys, TBC is based on meritocracy. Yes, somebody was asking that why are they having many attended meetings? The number of their meetings they have attended is more. Yeah, they pay the price. They indeed pay the price. Spend data for hours, spend time for hours listening to meetings, attending meetings. So everything pays for little sacrifice. So guys, for as many who are still lacking behind, get to work. Get to work. Yes. And also the bounty shows how many people you bring into the community and how many active members also are members of your referrals. This also counts. So guys, I encourage every one of us, let us get on board fully. Let's get on board fully and let us do what we are supposed to do so that we will be counted among these people who are qualified to be within the what? Who are qualified to be within the membership of the Life Force Assurance. And very soon, the dividend will start rolling in. So I implore every one of you, come on board. If you have not paid your program fee, go ahead. Either you pay monthly in crypto or you pay the annual fee. Just do that and ensure that you are active henceforth without defaulting. It pays to be active. It pays to be active. There are a lot of dividends that is accrue to being active. So guys, it is well with you all. Don't forget, meritocracy is at work now. So guys, do your best. Do your best for the success of the community. I love you all. So guys, click on that button, subscribe to the channel, and also share to other members. Love you all. Bless you.